What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make anywhere from $100 to at least $1,000 today using this simple hack that I'm going to share with you. So this is going to be some easy way to make some money from home. All right, so I'm going to dive into things, and if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Make sure you become a part of the family by hitting that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, so every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And if it's your first time watching this video, in the comments, just let me know where you're watching this from, all right? And for my regulars, happy to have you here. So I'm already on the website already, so I'm just going to dive into things and waste no time here, right? So the website is called FlixPress. And what FlixPress is, you can create videos, right, where it doesn't require any software, you don't need any technical skills or anything. Basically, you just come here, put the words together, and everything just transform into a video, right? So if you click where it says get started, right, you can click on where it says get started. All you have to do, you could sign up with a Google account, or you could just fill out the names, fill out your name information here and just register, right? So you can start anywhere from like $1 a month, right? So $1 a month you can start. Now, here's why you can make money with this website, right? So I'm going to show you guys a simple hack that you can use. And not many people will share this, but I'm going to share it with you. So you can come on here and you can go on this website that is called Upwork, right? So if you go on Upwork.com, if you come on here and you search where they're looking for video production specialist, right? Video production, or they're looking for someone to create videos such as maybe YouTube, commercial or anything, right? You could sign up for Upwork, and then you could come through here, and then you can offer your services. And then once you offer your services, then you could come on this specific website, FlixPress, and then you can get it done right away. Now, also on Fiverr, if you guys don't know, if you go into where it says video and automation, so if you go on video and automation, if you look through here, you could see that you can create intros, outros, right? You can click on where it says slideshows and promos. If you go down here, it says, video editing, you definitely have to have that video editing skills. But that software or that website called FlixPress, it could give you all the information. So if you come down here, and let's click on where it says short video, right? So on short video, if you look on short video, they are paying people a ton of money, right? So if you come here, you can not best selling, not new arrivals, but recommended, right? So if you look on where it says recommended, you see people are making $115, right? If you scroll down here, you see people making $4,500, right? $200, $1,500, right? $300. So you can make anywhere between $1,000, anywhere between 100, and you can go anywhere up to $1,000, even 4,500, as you can see, 1,500, right? So if you're gonna start off, I would definitely start off at a reasonable price. Maybe you want to start off with $5, work your way up, get some stars, get your name out there, and slowly increase your price as you go along, right? And then once you start making money, then you could start to go ahead and then you can ask for like 150, 200, 250, 350, 500, 600, 700, and then it goes higher. So this website doesn't require like any technical skills because it's easy to use, no experience required. You don't need any software, right? You could just sign up, and as you could see, create a video for less than $1 a month, right? So you could sign up for this, and you could, get started easy, fast, and flexible. So you could create like YouTube intro, outros, promo ads, animated slideshows, video announcement, video explainers, prank videos, all that kind of stuff. So if you go through here, you can do a lot with this program. As you can see, there's a lot of people already using it, over 7 million. So you could come in here and you could set up, you know, your business right away. Let me click on where it says automated template. All right, so if I click on automated template, right, they have all the templates here. So if you look, there's like, they give you like a snippet of what it looks like. So if someone is looking for, you know, intro, slideshow, promo, special occasions, pro templates, all that kind of stuff, ads. If you click on ads, let's click on ads. Ads, these are professional ads. All right, look at that.
It's easy with this Flix.
This is pretty cool, right? So if you come through here, you could see you can create an ad just for someone over here at Fiverr, right? So create something on Fiverr and sign up for an account. So in Fiverr, you can sign up for an account, which is absolutely free. And you can go out and you could start to, you know, crush the game. So I found this out and I said, you know, I want to share it with you guys so at least you can get things going, right? So that's another way how you guys can make money. And this is, yeah, it is easy way how to make money. But of course, in the beginning, you got to put some time in. But after a while, when you get your name out there, you're going to eventually crush it, all right? So I hope this video helps. And if you haven't become a part of the family, subscribe to this video. Let me know where you're watching this from. And thank you guys for watching. All right. My name is Andre. Peace.